up this morning and tell mommy. Good morning everybody.
Hey there and welcome to my channel. I'm just having a peaceful, beautiful morning, having some coffee with the pups. We had a crazy thunderstorm last night with some hail, and this morning when we woke up, it was just the most beautiful day already. So I thought I would turn the camera on and share the day with you. I plan to make some Easter gifts for a few people in my life, and I thought, you know what? I should share that here. I, for one, always appreciate good gift ideas, especially around the different holidays and seasons. I thought I would share the ones that I'm making here with you today, just in case you are looking for some gift ideas for the loved ones in your life this Easter. I'm just having my coffee. I'm gonna take my vitamins for the day. I have a pretty cool vitamin. This is what my vitamin looks like. You're probably thinking, what is that? It is by a brand called Gem. I have been loving these vitamins. I will admit that even though I am a grown adult, I hate swallowing pills. And because of that, I will avoid taking my vitamins if they are in pill form. It is just something that I have learned about myself. I have tried over the years, but I noticed that I tend to forget if I have to take a pill because I hate swallowing pills. However, I do know that taking care of my health every day is very important, especially the older I get. So we've got to get those daily nutrients in. I do try to do things each day to support my overall health, make sure I'm taking care of my body, getting my nutrients in, getting enough water, all of that good stuff. The reason I'm telling you this today is because I feel like I finally found something that makes taking my vitamins easy and actually enjoyable. I started taking these a couple of months ago, and I have found that I now wake up and look forward to it. I crave it because it's like a little treat. I am one of those people that have my coffee first and then my breakfast. I know. I'm a creature of habit. Having this bite has been really nice. I take this, then I enjoy my coffee. It is packed with over 20 vitamins and minerals. It's got probiotics and prebiotics to support gut health, and it is made with real food. It's nutrient dense, so it works with your body to digest and absorb like real food. I started doing research on all of my supplements over a decade ago. I really put a lot of thought into the products that I put into my body. I don't just buy something and try it. I research things before I consume them. I was so happy to find this product because I feel like this is a product that I've been wishing for forever. And to finally have it and be able to take this every day has been such a game changer for me. So I really wanted to share it here with you today. Jim's was kind enough to offer to sponsor this video today and give us a special deal. So I will leave their link in the description box below. And of course, I will have a QR code here on the screen. Just use Brittney Blane at checkout. You'll have to come back to this video and let me know if you try them in the comments below. But I'm just gonna finish up this cup of coffee and then we are going to get this day started. Okay, I am dressed and ready for the day and we are about to put together those Easter gifts for my family and friends that I was telling you about. I did want to let you know that everything I'm using today, with the exception of a couple of items, I found on Amazon. Since I knew I was sharing these gifts here with you all, I really wanted to be a good resource, so I made it super easy if you want to recreate one of these gifts for one of your loved ones this Easter. You can easily just go to my Amazon storefront, or I'll have everything linked in the description box below, and find everything you're looking for there. I'll also link it on my LTK. So I'll have these Easter gift ideas linked everywhere I can. And of course, you're always welcome to ask me in the comment section if you have trouble finding something. But I'm excited to make these with you today because I know often coming up with different gift ideas for the holidays and seasons like Easter or Valentine's Day, it can be one of those things that we think we're prepared for, and then we get to the season and we kind of just blank out and we aren't sure what to get who, or we're busy and we don't have time to put something together. Hopefully what I'm doing today will help you save some time and you'll have a really great gift. I don't have any children's basket ideas in this video because I don't have any children to make baskets for this year, but I will have a few gift basket ideas for kids for Easter over on my Amazon storefront. I'll link those below too, just in case that's something you're looking for. But let's make these gifts. The first gift I'm putting together today is for my mama, but this would be a perfect gift for anyone in your life who loves decorating. It also makes a really thoughtful hostess gift if you're visiting someone else's home this Easter and want to bring them something special. One of my favorite tips for making any gift basket look beautiful is to create a sturdy base with filler. I like to use packing paper underneath my shredded crinkle paper. This just helps support everything and makes it easier to arrange the items in a pretty way up top. For this basket, I'm including one of my absolute favorite coffee table books, one I know that my mother will love as well. I also found this gorgeous gold frame on Amazon, a sweet ceramic bunny, and the most precious Easter tea towel. I am just using a traditional Easter basket that I picked up at Michael's this year, but this gift would also look stunning in a decorative basket or even a rattan tray, something that the recipient could repurchase in their home decor. To add a little something special, I'm including a mason jar that I do plan to fill with real flowers before gifting it to her on Easter. But since I'm putting this together early, it is the end of March right now and I won't be giving it to her until the end of April. I am just using some faux florals from my collection so that I can give you an idea of how the finished basket will look. To finish it off, I'm tying a simple ribbon in a bow on the handle. I love using a rough-edged ribbon for that understated yet elegant touch. The next gift is perfect for any guy in your life, whether it's your husband, your dad, or even a teen or college-aged grandson. If you want to give him an Easter basket, but you want to make it a little bit more grown-up, then this idea is definitely for you. I picked up this igloo ice chest on Amazon, and I'm just filling it with a few treats I know the guys in my life enjoy. You could always make it more personal by adding something like an insulated mug, maybe a vinyl record, or even an engraved pocket knife. Whatever fits their personality and interests, I think this is such a fun idea. Plus, every guy loves a cooler. The next gift idea is simple yet still thoughtful, perfect for the person in your life with a green thumb who loves to garden. I'm putting this together for one of my friends who has the most beautiful potted plants on her front porch. Inside, I am just adding a pair of pretty spring gardening gloves, a packet of seeds, and a couple of adorable moss bunnies for a fun seasonal touch. I decided to finish this gift off by wrapping it in cellophane and tying a pretty rough-edged ribbon bow at the top. I'll be sure to have all the supplies that I used for these gifts linked below so you can easily shop for things like the shredded crinkle paper and cellophane roll if those are something you need for your gifts this season as well. The next two gift ideas are simple, thoughtful, just little somethings that you can give to just about anyone. These make great hostess gifts, also perfect if you're staying with someone this Easter and want to bring a small thank you gift. For the first one, I am using a small terracotta pot, just like the last gift, but this time I am just filling it with a little bit of candy, a cute chocolate bunny, and some Easter eggs. I think this is precious because it looks like a little garden. Finishing it off with cellophane wrap and a beautiful wired ribbon adds a thoughtful touch. And for my last gift, I am just adding a sweet little gold decorative bunny to an apothecary jar and filling it with yummy Easter candy. It's such a simple yet thoughtful little something, perfect for bringing to anyone this Easter, just to let them know that you're thinking of them. I hope you liked the Easter gift ideas that I shared. Let me know in the comments below if you are going to recreate one for someone in your life. I would love to know, and I would absolutely love if you did that. But we are still doing all the spring and Easter things around here in the upcoming month of April. So I will see you again very soon in the next video. Until I do, take care and happy decorating.